Hello everyone, I am Alex with you guys. So today I am going to be explain SGB global rewards types of profit. So there are total number of the four types of profit in SGB global rewards. So the first type of the profit in SGB global reward is the sponsor reward. The second is the community UNILEVEL rewards. The third one is the SGB VIP rewards. The fourth one is the SGB global poll. So the global poll and the VIP reward are the biggest reward of these companies. So let's explain the first one, the SGB sponsor reward. This is the first type of the reward in the SGB global. So guys, if you are the first person are you on your left and right, there are many peoples that you have direct referral peoples. So you will receive the 5% of your direct referral sponsor reward. SGB or USDT sponsor reward 5% on every direct one time, but you will receive the next time when he will reinvest of his another money of, or when he will receive the 300%, then reinvest and again you will receive 5%. So plus you will receive the 10,000 Shiba Inu coin on every refer, but the refer should have to activate with $50 or $100 any one package. You will receive the 10,000 Shiba Inu coin. So these are the two types of reward in direct sponsor reward. So the second one, that is the SGB. The second one is the SGB UNILEVEL community UNILEVEL reward. So this is the second reward. In this type of reward you will receive first level to 20 level income. So this is the UNILEVEL system, and in this UNILEVEL system you will receive the 20 level income. So let's explain with an example how you will receive the 20 level income. So guys, suppose that if this is one is you and you have invited a people and he has invested only $1,000. So his total profit will be $3,000 because this company gave the 300%. So his total profit will be the $3,000 because he has invested $1,000. So his profit will be $3,000 SBG. So you will receive 20% of his total profit, not only investment. You will receive the 20% of his total profit. That's equal to $600. So if we calculate estimate of his investment, so you will receive the 60% of his investment. That's incredible. Here is another thing amazing, that if that person is not withdrawing his money and he is compounding, if continue compounding or restacking his money, so his total will become the $20,000. If he continue 20 months of his investment, restack and compounding, so his $1,000 will become the $20,000, and you will receive the 20% of his profit. That becomes equal to the $4,000. This is estimated the 400% of his investment. The person is investing only $1,000 and you are receiving $4,000 level commissions only from the first level, and same is the second level to 15%, 12%, 10%, 8%, 5%, and 7 to 10 level 3%, and 11 to 15 level 2%, and 20 level 1%. So the total number of the levels are 20, and the level commissions is different. First level have 20%, second level 50%, third level 12%, and etc. You receive the different commissions on the different levels. So that's become a huge money, my guys, a huge money. But you should have a condition here. You should need to be 20 direct referrals for receiving the 20 level commissions. So your level commission will be not expired. That will be in the whole wallet when you will invite a person. And if you want to get a 20 level commission, you should have the 20% direct referral. If you want to get to 10 levels, you should have the 10 referrals. As much referrals you will gain, and you can earn 20 level commission bonus. The third one is the SGB VIP reward. So that's a huge money, my guys. SGB VIP rewards is a massive. So there are the rewards. The first reward is the expert, and that's you should need the $50,000 business. And second one is the pro, you should have the $100K business. Third one, the star, you should need to be $0.2 million business. And the fourth one, 2-star, 3-star, 4-star, and 5-star. To achieve the 5-star rank bonus, you should need the business in your downline in 20 levels, $5 million business. if you have achieved the first level, so total you should have need the $5 million business in your 20 levels. If you have achieved the first level, that is the expert, in the expert level you should receive the 1%. So you can read, there is a written that upgrade in UNILEVEL plus percentage. So I gave you an example. If you were receiving the in UNILEVELs, that are the 20 levels, first level is 20%, you will start receiving as you have achieved the first reward. So you will start receiving the 21% in first level and 60% in the second level, because you were receiving the 50%. In the third level you was receiving the 12%, now you will start receiving the 13%. So same in your all 20 levels, 1% will be increases. So if you have achieved the second level pro, third level star, fourth level 2 star, 3 star, 4 star and 5 star, so 12%, 10%, 8% in your all levels, as you are achieving a next reward, so the percentage will be increases in all your 20 levels that make a huge money. I give you an example, a 4 star or 5 star. If you have achieved a 5th star rank bonus, so 12% will be increased in your all 20 levels. Even that in your last 20 levels you will be start receiving the 30%, my guys, in 20th level. And in the first level you will start receiving the 32%. If a person have invested $1,000 in under you, and his profit is the $300, and you will start receiving the 32%, that's equal to $960. So this is the 96% of his investment. He is investing $1,000 and you are receiving $960. That's the 96% of his investment. If he is compounding, if he has compounding, he is not withdrawing money, so he will receive the $20,000 and you will receive the 32%. That's equal to $6,400. That's, if we estimate, that's equal to 660% of his investment. He is getting 300% and you are getting on the first level 640% if a person continue compounding. My guys, this is very incredible, a very huge bonus in this system. Only in this system we can earn a lot of money, a lot of bonuses, a huge money. But you should need here must be 1 leg 50% business and other 4 legs must be 50% business. You should put as much as referral you can put, but here you should need to be put 5 leaders, such big leaders that work massively, and you should put on 1 leg a big leader that's work a huge. So guys, the last one is the SGB Global Reward. That's a massive turnover. It's a company turnover percentage. Guys, if you achieve the 2-star rank, the 2-star rank should need a business in your 20 level is only $0.5 million business. So if you have achieved the $0.5 million business, you will achieve the 2-star, 3-star, 4-star and 5-star. If you want to be achieve the 5-star rank, you should have the $5 million business in your downline. If you achieve the first 2-star level, 2-star rank, you will start receiving the 2% of the company turnover. That's a very massive, my guys. If I give you an example, if a company is gaining because the company have exchange, company have 3 types of coins, company have many use case, many more things in this company. They have the property business, construction business, many more things in this business. So if a company is earning $1 million per month, per day, $1 million per day, so your commission will be incredible, 2%, my guys. And if you have achieved the 5 ranks, 5 stars, so your turnover is the 5% of the total business. So my guys, I can't imagine such a huge money is coming toward me. My guys, this is very incredible and much more profit from this company. Only we are going to be make a very huge money, 5% turnover. If you are not getting the 5%, if you achieve the 2-star bonus, so you are getting the 2% of the total turnover of the company. Guys, I can't imagine, but you should need the 1 lakh 50% bonus, and the other 4 lakhs should be 50% business in your downline. You should put the 5 top leaders in your direct, and other should be leaders, but your 5 legs should be working legs. You must need to be 5 top legs, your working legs. Guys, I want to be told you here and other give advice and other beautiful advice here about the deposit and withdrawal, my guys. So these are the commissions, and you should always need to be select the Tron, because what is the benefit of Tron? If you are going to be invest in USDT, you should need to be pay $1 fee. If you are choosing the Binance coin BNB, you should also need to be pay the fee. But if you are choosing the Tron fee is very little, that is equal to 2 Tron to 3 Tron. That's a very little fee, my guys. So I gave you a suggestion that you always need to be select Tron for your deposit and for withdrawal. Everything you should need to be select Tron, and this transaction is very fast. As you deposited, your balance will be shown in your back office, and you can invest as much package you want to buy. So minimum withdrawal is the $50, reinvest is the $50, and maximum no limit. So guys, this is the commissions, and take care. Bye bye.